Where have you been?
I just finished playing.
Are you sick? Oh my god, your body is very hot. Tutup mata. Ga. Woke up. Woke up, Ga. What's wrong with you? Ga. Woke up. What's wrong with you, Ga? Oh no, man. Ga, what's wrong with you? Ga, what's wrong with you? Good morning, sir. Morning. It is really Mr. Wahyudi, host us the village head. Yes, with myself. What is it? Here, sir. I hear there are symptoms like bird flu in this village, sir. It is true. It happened about 3 days ago. The victim was a boy, and at this time we have examined the resident livestock, and at this time we have examined the resident livestock, and those who are infected directly we have warning in preventing this bird flu from spreading. Therefore, sir, I am a student from Stikara campus wanting to socialize the danger of bird flu. Maybe I will gladly allow it. Okay, thank you for the change, sir. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Suranto. I'm from Stikara. Want to socialize about the danger of bird flu. Now I will start the discussion about bird flu. Sorry, if there are marker.
There is, sir. The marker in the drawer. I can get it.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, now I will start explaining the dangers of bird flu. Okay? Bird flu, or also known as avian influenza, is a type of viral infection commonly found is poorly. However, the virus that causes bird flu can mutate and spread to humans. If humans are infected with the bird flu virus, the emblem that appear will vary, ranging from mild to severe and potentially life-threatening. This transmission usually occurs due to the contact with bird infected with a virus of the cooking grounds of. The disease cannot be transmitted between humans, but experts are connected that the avian influenza virus could mutate again and could spread usually to the other human. Okay, is there anything you want to ask about the danger of bird flu?
I'm sure. My name is Faliandi. My question, what are the symptoms of bird flu?
Okay, thank you. The question from Faliandi. I will explain what are the symptoms of bird flu. The sex and symptoms of this disease is so referred may vary, ranging from symptoms of mild respiratory infections such as fever and colds to severe ones such as pneumonia and shock. In the case of a 5-in-1 infection, all found signs of digestive problems such as diarrhea, nausea, and vomiting. Generally, symptoms of bird flu will usually be seen after 2 until 8 days of transmission. The 6 days generally vary to resemble the common cold, such as high fever to exceed 38 degrees Celsius, cold, sore throat, difficulty breathing, headache, and muscle ache. You understand?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Daddy. Daddy.
Apa itu kan? Juga kamu keluar? Nah, aku juga di sini.